Hi guys, welcome to IT Expert again. Today, we will work with average temperatures. In the table we have the temperatures of 3 different countries, and using the AutoSum shortcut for each country, we need to count the months, calculate the minimum and the maximum temperatures, the mean average, the median average and the mode average. Let's start with counting the months using the formula count from the AutoSum shortcut. This formula will count as any cell which contain a number. We select the range of 12 cells that show the temperatures in Greece. In our case it will show 12 like the number of months in a year. Then we will calculate the minimum temperature for Greece, using the formula MIN, selecting again the 12 temperatures and finishing the formula with Enter. To calculate the maximum temperature for Greece, we will use the formula MAX, select again the 12 temperatures and finishing the formula with Enter. For the mean average, which is given by the sum of a series of values, divided by the number of the values added. We will use the formula average from the AutoSum shortcut, selecting the cells and finishing with Enter. Then the median average, which is the middle value of a series of numbers ordered from the smallest to the highest. We need to select More Functions from the AutoSum shortcut, type Medium, click on Go, click OK, then select the cells and finish with Enter. At last, the mode average, which is the number which repeat the most in a series of numbers. We need to select More Functions from the AutoSum shortcut, type Mode, click on Go, click OK, then select the cells and finish with Enter. In case of low contrast between the cell and the font colors, you may struggle to see the text. Select the cells and choose a darker font color. Finally, we can apply all the formulas to the 3 columns by selecting all 6 cells and dragging the field handle along the row, or by copying and pasting. At last, we need to create a graph. We want to show the temperatures of the 3 locations over time. We need to select the whole table, including the heading on the top and the months. From the ribbon menu, we select Insert, we choose the line graph and select the first option. We resize the graph, rename the title as Temperatures, and personalize the graph using the Chart Design ribbon menu. There you go. Well done! Don't forget to save your work. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.